Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 practical and homemade tips to humidify the air in your home, especially useful during dry days or in air-conditioned environments. Let's check it out. 1. Water basins. Placing basins with water in the rooms can help increase humidity. Extra tip, place them near windows or heat sources. 2. Wet towels, hanging damp towels is also a great way to humidify the environment. 3. Vaporizers. If you prefer a more technological method, vaporizers are effective and easy to use. 4. Plants distributing plants around the house not only improves humidity, but also purifies the air. 5. Water fountains. Mini decorative water fountains are an elegant alternative to increase humidity. 6. Water containers on the radiator. Placing water containers near the radiator is an efficient solution on cold days. These are easy and practical ways to keep the air in your home more humid. Did you like the tips? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need this information. See you next time. And comment below which of these tips you'll try first.